Hi everyone, my name is Steve Collins, and today I'm giving my informative speech on LASIK eye surgery. Laser eye surgery has become an excellent kind of alternative for several vision impaired patients who consider it as a great investment. However, some of the doctors do not recommend this kind of treatment to patients with eye myopia. The cost of this kind of surgery is very essential and is determined throughout the competition in the market. After listening to my presentation, you will be in a position to prove that compared to old vision correction approaches, LASIK eye surgery is rated the best method to be used. The central idea of this presentation is to identify how LASIK surgery has restored the nightmare of many patients. So think about holding your small kid for the very first time, mesmerized by how amazing he is, looking at his tiny fingers and face. You just can't afford removing your eyes from him. Staring at every step of movement he makes, what an exciting sight this is. This is the kind of feeling that my friend and former colleague had, seeing her baby for the first time. She was so alive and excited. She could not imagine anything bigger compared to this greater experience. Then she thought how she was the luckiest person to have had eye surgery, LASIK eye surgery 2 years ago. As we speak now, her eyesight had been very awful and she would not have been able to see as visibly using her glasses as what she experienced on that fateful day when her daughter was born. This distinctive memory was so vivacious that she still has the sight of this newly born baby in her mind, a feeling that always makes her thankful for deciding to undergo LASIK surgery. Now when she's getting up for the nightly feedings of her baby, she has no feeling of worry about finding or putting on her glasses before doing anything. The LASIK eye surgery was the priceless thing my friend got. The relevance of this presentation is that when you compare the hassle and the cost of other corrective eye vision methods, LASIK eye surgery seems to be the best one in restoring eyesight. Let us examine the challenges of traditional methods of treatment. As we all understand, old methods of vision correction, contact lenses and glasses do not often solve the challenges of bad vision. Once one vision is less than perfect, the only choice has always been to wear glasses and contacts. Conferring to the WebMD website, the cornea is the visibly protective layer of the eye located outside that serves as the barrier against germs, dirt, and several particles which can be so detrimental to one's eye. The cornea also has the ability of purifying out some of the ultraviolet light, besides playing a greater role in visualization. And that comes from Argwal, 2005. LASIK's made great headlines after many famous patients like Cindy Crawford, Courtney Cox, and the pitcher Greg Maddux. The procedure gained popularity after Maddux took the mound to begin for the Braves just 2 days after going through LASIK eye surgery, minus the corrective lenses. Therefore, LASIK eye surgery is capable of restoring clear, unaided kind of vision to millions of people across the continent. The procedure has received approval from the Food and Drug Administration for correcting astigmatism and myopia, which seems to be the two refractive errors. Since the FDA's approval, LASIK surgery has been loved and several patients have chosen to undergo it in order to restore their vision. Besides, the procedure has corrected 20/20 vision in common people of those who have undergone it at a relatively low price. Argwal 2005. LASIK surgery offers real hope of several individuals having challenges of refractive errors. Bad vision, as we talk, is no longer deliberated to be a permanent situation. LASIK is offering a lot of advantages. The goodness of it, again, is that it's an outside procedure. The eye is numbed with local anesthetic, and during the procedure, the surgeon then shaves a very thin flap in the surface of the patient's eye, whereby he peels the flap backward and exposes the cornea. The cornea, in return, is reshaped using the excimer laser, and then the flap is returned back to its place. There is not much discomfort involving in the procedure since it takes approximately 15 minutes or less for both eyes. Barato, Slade, and Travolta, 2012. Another advantage of this procedure is it corrects a problem then and there. Usually there's a possibility of the patient driving the following day without corrective lenses. The procedure of LASIK surgery is without a lack of dangers, however. The most essential is blindness, as we all know, but it's almost non-existent, and that's according to the United States, 2007. I will sum up my presentation pointing out that LASIK surgery is a better procedure of correcting the vision as compared with the traditional methods. I take this chance to thank you for your time in listening to this presentation, and let's hope that it gives hope to millions of people suffering with poor eyesight. Let us now share this piece of information with our loved ones so that we can put a smile on their faces after correcting their vision. Thank you for listening.